Learn to write numbers in English. From 1 to 10. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be exploring the world of numbers, specifically, how to write the numbers from 1 to 10 in English. Writing numbers as words is an important skill, especially when you're writing checks, filling out forms, or even just practicing your English skills. Before we dive in, let's talk about why learning number words is essential. Number words are just as important as numeral numbers. They're used in a variety of contexts, from business and legal documents to academic writing and everyday conversations. Learning them helps you become more fluent and comfortable in English. Here are the number words we will be focusing on. 1, 1. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. The first step to learning how to write these numbers is tracing. Tracing is when you follow the outline of the letters with your pen or pencil, helping your hand understand the movements needed to write the words. You can start by printing out sheets with the number words written in dotted lines, then use a pen or pencil to trace over them. Once you're comfortable with tracing, the next step is copying. On a blank sheet of paper, try to write the number words you've just traced. This helps reinforce what you've learned and improves your muscle memory. It's important to practice regularly. The more you practice, the easier it will become. Try writing the numbers in words as often as you can. Start by writing them in order from 1 to 10, and then mix them up. You could also try spelling them out loud while writing to further reinforce your learning. That's it for this video. Remember, learning to write number words in English might seem tricky at first, but with some practice, it will become second nature. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.